Hey guys, welcome back to JJ and Son Speed Shop. Been out here working on the 56 for, oh gosh, every day for the last, I don't know, week or so. Wire wheeling the headliner, well, underneath the roof, and getting that ready for the Corroseal. I got the first coat of it on tonight. You can see how it converted all of the surface rust to a black primer. Works really good. I'm going to give it one more coat tomorrow after this cures, and then I'll probably hit it with some satin black, probably an oil-based enamel. That's what it says to use in the directions. Anyway, it worked really good. I rolled it on and I brushed it in hard to reach areas, but yeah, works really good. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to start on the floor, get the floor all done. You can see I got a lot of drips and stuff, but I got to wire wheel all that anyway. And I already did under the dash, since I have this big hole in the firewall. I got up under the dash and did all that. Might as well while I can reach it. Anyway, I appreciate y'all watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Later.